This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
The unique functions within Prism is the ability to set reminders. There's a couple of ways you can do this. Whenever you do a task, as in a procedure or a task, you'll always see this little set reminder. So if you send a horse out, for example, if you want to send a horse to a gist, create that, then you might want to in 2 weeks time be reminded to check on that horse. Transport reminder for Bella Lucinda. To work. So you would set that for 1, 2. And whatever time you wanted to be reminded. 12:35. Add that. And so what they do, the system will send you a reminder at that time to say transport reminder for Bella Lucinda. You can see here this is another one that was done. This one was actually done. You can access this screen via the reminders section over here as well. And you basically just input that information there and send it. It'll remind you, this one remind you tomorrow at 8:30. When you get reminded, you'll have a notification here. This one was reorder feed or reminder to update Prism, and basically it'll just tell you if you've set it for web notifications, it'll be here, but you'll also get an email as well. As well as this little, it'll turn dark if there is a set reminder that's been added. It's always good if you know to use that for when you're nominating, or if you've got future nominations or acceptances that you need to remember, or if you're tipping a horse out and you just want to put in a little note so that you can remember to check on it and see if you want to bring it back in. There's a whole heap of little things that the system, once you've set it, the system will just remind you whenever you request it. So that's reminders. It's pretty straightforward. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to email us at support@prism.horse.